Hello everyone, welcome to Sujata Code Labs. If you are running a clothing brand, a fashion brand, or an apparel business looking to grow online, this video is made for you. Many clothing and apparel brands struggle with low visibility, unpredictable sales, and confusion about how YouTube actually supports business growth. Some fashion brands depend only on social media trends, while many clothing businesses post videos without seeing enquiries or conversions. The real issue is not content creation, but using YouTube with a clear marketing structure for clothing and apparel brands. In this video, we will help you understand how YouTube can work as a growth channel for your clothing or fashion business. Imagine a clothing brand with strong designs, good pricing, and quality apparel, but still failing to build customer trust. Research shows that more than 70% of buyers explore a clothing or fashion brand on YouTube before making a purchase decision. Yet most apparel brands unknowingly make a critical mistake. They treat YouTube as a posting platform, not as a trust-building system. Another insight many clothing businesses miss is that educational and behind-the-brand videos receive up to 3 times higher engagement than direct promotions. Here's the risk most fashion and clothing brands ignore. If your brand is not clearly explaining quality, fit, process, or value, customers move to a competitor who does. YouTube is not just about views or subscribers for clothing and apparel brands. When used strategically, it becomes a long-term visibility, credibility, and lead generation channel for fashion businesses. By watching this full video, you will gain a clear 12-step guide to improving your marketing skills, helping your clothing brand build visibility, trust, and consistent enquiries with confidence.
Visit www.sujatacodelabs.com for affordable business website packages, affordable e-commerce website packages, affordable social media marketing packages, affordable digital marketing packages, and Android, iOS, IoT app development services.
Step 1. Brand discovery happens before purchase. When people discover a clothing brand on YouTube, they rarely come to buy immediately. They observe the designs, listen to how the brand talks, and judge consistency. Research shows 68% of customers trust brands more after watching branded videos. A clothing brand that explains its vision feels safer than one that only shows products. What many fashion brands miss is this: discovery content quietly builds buying intent. Step 2. Trust is built through familiarity. Viewers return to a clothing brand when they recognize its face, voice, or style. A simple studio walkthrough or behind-the-scenes video increases recall by 2 to 3 times. One apparel brand saw better engagement by repeating the same intro format weekly. The hidden advantage is predictability. People trust what feels familiar. Notice how consistency quietly outperforms flashy visuals. Step 3. Storytelling beats selling. Customers don't remember prices first, they remember stories. A clothing brand sharing why a design exists keeps viewers watching longer. Data shows story-based videos improve watch time by 55%. Fashion brands that explain fabric choices feel more premium. The secret lies in explaining why before showing what. Step 4. Education creates authority. People search YouTube to learn, not to be sold to. A clothing brand explaining sizing, fabric care, or styling builds authority fast. Educational videos generate 3 times more saves than promotional content. An apparel brand teaching how to style one outfit in 5 ways earns trust naturally. The unnoticed benefit: educated viewers convert faster later. Step 5. Faces increase confidence. When people see real team members, doubts reduce. A clothing brand featuring designers or staff increases credibility instantly. Videos with human presence see 38% higher engagement rates. Fashion brands hiding behind product-only videos feel distant. The quiet truth is people trust people, not logos.
Visit www.sujatacodelabs.com for affordable business website packages, affordable e-commerce website packages, affordable social media marketing packages, affordable digital marketing packages, and Android, iOS, IoT app development services.
Step 6. Quality signals matter more than quantity. Viewers subconsciously judge quality within the first 7 seconds. A clothing brand with clean visuals and clear audio feels premium instantly. One apparel brand improved conversions simply by improving lighting. The hidden mistake is thinking expensive gear matters more than clarity. Perception quietly decides price acceptance. Step 7. Social proof reduces risk. People look for reassurance before choosing a clothing brand. Customer stories increase confidence by 72% according to buyer studies. A fashion brand sharing one honest review performs better than 10 ads. What's rarely noticed is how relatable stories reduce hesitation. Trust grows when viewers see themselves in others. Step 8. Consistency builds momentum. Irregular posting makes even strong clothing brands forgettable. Brands posting weekly grow subscribers 40% faster than random uploads. An apparel brand sticking to one schedule sees steady traction over time. The hidden advantage is YouTube learning your brand's rhythm. Momentum rewards patience. Step 9. Titles decide visibility. Before watching, people judge titles, not content. A clothing brand using clear, benefit-driven titles gets higher clicks. Videos with problem-focused titles see 36% higher CTR. Fashion brands often use creative titles but miss search intent. The unseen power lies in matching curiosity with clarity. Step 10. Viewers watch for confidence signals. People read tone, posture, and clarity subconsciously. A confident clothing brand voice increases trust without saying it. Studies show confident delivery improves perceived expertise by 47%. An apparel brand explaining calmly feels more established. Authority is felt, not claimed. Step 11. Long-term thinking wins. YouTube rewards patience more than speed. A clothing brand that focuses on value grows steadily over months. Channels optimized for education see 5 times longer content lifespan. Fashion brands chasing trends lose consistency. The quiet win comes from evergreen content. Step 12. Clarity converts. By the end, viewers want direction, not pressure. A clothing brand clearly explaining what to do next gains enquiries naturally. Clear CTAs increase action by 80% when aligned with content. An apparel brand guiding viewers feels helpful, not salesy. Clarity removes hesitation, and hesitation blocks growth. By watching this full video, you now have a clear 12-step framework to improve your marketing skills and position your clothing brand for better visibility, stronger trust, and consistent enquiries. When these steps are applied with clarity and patience, YouTube stops being confusing and starts working as a real growth channel for your business. If this content helped you understand marketing from a business perspective, it means you're already thinking in the right direction. Do take a moment to like this video, as it helps more clothing and fashion brands reach the right guidance. Subscribe to Sujata Code Labs for practical, step-by-step insights on websites, YouTube, and digital marketing for growing businesses. We'll see you in the next video with more clarity-driven strategies for long-term brand growth.